You guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to capitalize with Dex Arbitrage Trading. Matter of fact, when it comes to crypto arbitrage trading in general, Dex Arbitrage Trading stands out for real because it has to do with decentralized exchanges, and decentralized exchanges are always known for fast execution. So I'm going to quickly ask ChatGPT what DEX arbitrage trading is. For those of you that are still wondering what DEX arbitrage trading is, let us quickly do that. I'm having a little bit of fever, but I will still need to record because it has been a while. I haven't done nothing due to the fever. What is DEX arbitrage trading? Okay, and okay, let us leave it very simple. DEX arbitrage trading is a strategy where a trader makes profit by taking advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency across different decentralized exchanges. It is done on decentralized exchanges. So, for an example, on one DEX, one Ethereum might be selling for 2,450. On another DEX, keep in mind these DEX are decentralized exchanges, like I've told you. We have different DEX like we have DEX Screener, we also have like Jupiter, we have Radium. So for an instance, one Ethereum is being sold on Radium for 2,450, and the same Ethereum is being sold on another DEX for about 2,470. So ChatGPT says you will need to buy the Ethereum on the first DEX exchange that is selling the Ethereum at a lower price, in this case 2,450. Then you simultaneously, that's you know, equally still in that point of buying, you quickly sell it on the second exchange, on the second DEX exchange that is selling the Ethereum at a much higher price, in this case 2,470. That's how you capitalize on it. So here are the most popular DEX exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and the likes. So in a layman understanding, this is how it is done, like for real. But if you come to the practical aspects of it, it has to do more with spotting of those opportunity. That is where this tutorial comes in, because the opportunity might seem to be very easy to say, but it all lies on spotting the opportunity itself, like matter of fact. So that's the more reason I'll be dedicating this video to show you how to spot it by using DEX Screener. So on DEX Screener, here is how we are going to be going about it. Once you've opened up DEX Screener, you're going to see a whole lot going on. Like there are literally a lot of cryptocurrency, like matter of fact. But we are going to be making some changes to it so it can suit our strategy, our DEX arbitrage trading strategy, matter of fact. So first of all, switch this one to 6 hours as usual. Then you will leave Solana to be there on all DEXs, because matter of fact, if I should close this out, you're going to see that we have all chains. We have all chains there. So click on it and change it to Solana, matter of fact. Then you scroll and leave every other one and focus on liquidity. The liquidity here is the one we are using about 120,000 minimum. This is it, 120,000 minimum. That's the one. Then for the volume, we use about this should be about 1.5 million for the volume. That's 1.5 million. For the pH is how old the coin should be. So if we are setting it for a maximum of 5 hours, that means the coin shouldn't be older than that. Okay, so we also set this other one, the buy side volume, for 5,000. That's the minimum, and also the sell side for about 5,000 as well. So after all of that has been done, these are all we got. As you can see, none of these coins are older than that. But if you choose to use older coins, it is still up to you, because you can do this with any cryptocurrency provided it is being traded on decentralized platforms. So your obligation is to now use this other wallet called what do they call it, Phantom. Quickly set up your Phantom. This is the wallet we'll be using to do the execution. So once you pick any one, let me pick any one and show you how it is done. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be going for this one called let's go for the first one there on the list. So click on it for an instant. And by the way, before you pick any one at all, always try to check for the lock liquidity. This is like an additional confidence, because there are some cryptocurrency that might probably want to use you as exit liquidity. So with the help of that lock icon, it will secure you more, because it practically means that the liquidity will not be taken out all of a sudden like that without any proper consultation. So if the liquidity is not locked like this, it is exposing you to a whole lot of risks, which that's not what I want you to be exposed to. So always try to secure yourself and check for the lock liquidity first of all, before even going to check the price differences. Anyways, after that, you will need to now check for the price differences across various decentralized exchanges. Okay? And the way you do that is simple. Simply copy this icon, the contract, copy the contract there, and open up your Phantom wallet. This is where all the execution is going to happen. So the way you do this is pretty simple. Click on search, and then search for that initial DEX exchanges. I do not want to expose that contract. These contracts are very sensitive, okay? YouTube do not allow that. I did that previously and I got violated. So try to search that DEX exchange. For an instance, Radium or Jupiter or Pop.fun. Try to now look for the differences across those different exchanges, okay? And then see how you can buy it there and quickly sell. Don't hold this coin for a longer time. These are all coins that are meant to be used for arbitrage, since the aim is spotting the differences and then execute them faster, as ChatGPT says. So do not hold it for a longer time, so that you will not be exposing yourself to the potential risks involved. So that's all for now. The mentorship is still ongoing. Some of these things we do it more practical in the mentorship program, okay, due to privacy reasons and all this policy of a thing on YouTube. So we do more practical in the mentorship. So if you want to get access to it, send a DM to my WhatsApp. My number is going to be in the description of this video. In the meantime, that'll be all for now. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.